What is inner peace? It's a calm place within you, a feeling of being centered, even when life gets chaotic. Imagine a still pond on a windy day. The surface ripples, but deep down, the water remains calm. Inner peace isn't about being happy all the time. It's about finding a sense of stillness within, no matter what's happening around you. It's about accepting yourself and your life, just as they are. Finding this peace is a journey, not a destination. It's about cultivating awareness, acceptance, and kindness, both towards yourself and others. It's about learning to navigate the ups and downs of life with grace and resilience. Inner peace is available to everyone, in every moment. It's not something you find outside yourself, it's something you cultivate within. Why is inner peace so important? Because it's the key to living a more fulfilling and joyful life. When your mind is at peace, you're better able to cope with stress, make clear decisions, and connect with others authentically. Inner peace reduces anxiety and worry. It helps you sleep better and feel more energized. It allows you to experience more joy, gratitude, and love in your daily life. When you're at peace with yourself, you radiate a sense of calmness and positivity that affects everyone around you. You become a source of strength and support for others, inspiring them to find their own inner peace. Inner peace is a gift you give yourself and the world. It's a state of being that benefits not just you, but everyone you encounter. Many believe inner peace means a life devoid of problems. This is a misconception. Life will always have its challenges. Inner peace isn't about avoiding problems. It's about facing them with a calm and centered mind. Think of a ship navigating a storm. The ship will inevitably rock and sway, but with a skilled captain at the helm, it can weather the storm and reach its destination. Your mind is like the ship, and the problems you face are like the storm. Inner peace is the skilled captain within you. It allows you to navigate the challenges of life with strength, clarity, and resilience. Even amidst the storms, you can find moments of peace within. It's about finding that still point within you that remains untouched by the chaos around you. Meditation is a powerful tool for cultivating inner peace. It's about training your mind to become present, aware, and less reactive to the thoughts and emotions that cause you stress. Find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of each inhale and exhale. Your mind will wander, that's natural. When it does, gently guide it back to your breath. Start with a few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration as you feel comfortable. There are many different types of meditation, so explore and find what resonates with you. Meditation is a practice, not a performance. Be patient with yourself, and remember that even a few minutes a day can make a difference in your sense of peace and well-being. Section 5. Mindfulness. Living in the now. Mindfulness is about paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It's about becoming aware of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without getting carried away by them. You can practice mindfulness anytime, anywhere. Notice the feeling of your feet on the ground as you walk. Pay attention to the taste and texture of your food as you eat. Listen attentively to someone when they speak. Engage your senses fully in everyday activities. Notice the colors, shapes, and sounds around you. Practice gratitude for the simple things, like a warm shower or a sunny day. Mindfulness helps you appreciate the beauty of the present moment and reduces stress by shifting your focus away from worries about the past or future. Section 6. Breathing, your anchor to the present. Your breath is a powerful tool for calming your mind and body. It serves as a bridge between your mind and your physical state, helping you to stay grounded. When you're stressed or anxious, your breath becomes shallow and rapid. This is a natural response, but it can make you feel even more overwhelmed. By consciously slowing down and deepening your breath, you can activate your body's natural relaxation response. This simple act can shift your entire state of being. Try this simple breathing exercise. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, counting to 4. Feel the air filling your lungs and expanding your abdomen. Hold your breath for a count of 4. This pause allows your body to fully absorb the oxygen. Then exhale slowly and completely through your mouth, counting to 4 again. Let go of any tension as you release the breath. Repeat this cycle for several minutes, focusing your attention on the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body. Notice how your body begins to relax. You can do this exercise anytime, anywhere, to calm your mind and find a sense of peace. Whether you're at work, in nature, or commuting, it's always accessible. Deep breathing helps regulate your heart rate, lowers blood pressure, and reduces stress hormones. It's a natural way to enhance your well-being. It's a simple yet incredibly effective way to find inner peace in the midst of chaos. No matter where you are, your breath can be your anchor to the present moment. Section 7. Gratitude, shifting your focus. Gratitude is a powerful antidote to negativity and stress. It helps you see the positive aspects of your life, even when things seem tough. When you focus on what you're grateful for, your mind shifts from a state of lack to a state of abundance. This change in mindset can transform your outlook on life. This simple shift in perspective can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. It can help you feel more content and at peace with your circumstances. Start a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. This practice can help you develop a habit of looking for the good in your life. They can be big or small, from the roof over your head to a beautiful sunset. Even the smallest things can bring a sense of joy and appreciation. Reflect on these things and allow yourself to feel the emotion of gratitude. Let it fill your heart and mind, creating a sense of warmth and happiness. Share your gratitude with others. Let them know how much they mean to you and how they have positively impacted your life. Express your appreciation to loved ones, or write a thank you note to someone who has made a positive impact on your life. This can strengthen your relationships and spread positivity. Cultivating gratitude helps you appreciate the good in your life, reduces stress and anxiety, and improves your overall happiness and well-being. It's a simple yet powerful tool for a more fulfilling life. Section 8. Nature's Embrace. Finding solace outdoors. Nature has a remarkable ability to calm our minds and restore our spirits. It offers a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Spending time in nature reduces stress, improves focus, and enhances creativity. It allows us to reconnect with ourselves and find inner peace. Take a walk in a park, sit by a lake, or hike in the woods. These simple activities can bring immense joy and tranquility. Immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and smells of nature. Let the rustling leaves and flowing streams soothe your soul. Leave your phone behind and allow yourself to fully engage with your surroundings. Disconnect to reconnect with the world around you. Pay attention to the details you might normally miss. Notice the texture of the moss and the intricate patterns on the forest floor. Notice the different shades of green in the leaves, the intricate patterns of a flower, or the sound of birds singing. Each element adds to the beauty of nature. Breathe in the fresh air and feel the sun on your skin. Let the natural elements rejuvenate your senses. Even a short walk in nature can have a profound impact on your mood and well-being. It can lift your spirits and provide a sense of calm. Make it a habit to connect with nature regularly and experience its calming and restorative effects. Let nature be your sanctuary and source of solace. Section 9. Your journey to inner peace. Finding inner peace is a personal journey. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Experiment with different techniques and find what works best for you. Some practices may resonate more than others, and that's perfectly okay. Be patient with yourself. Cultivating inner peace is a lifelong practice, not a destination. There will be times when you feel calm and centered, and there will be times when you feel stressed and overwhelmed. The key is to keep coming back to the practices that help you feel grounded and at peace. The more you practice, the easier it will become to tap into that inner stillness, even amidst life's challenges. Remember, inner peace is always available to you. It's within you right now, waiting to be discovered. Section 10. A peaceful heart. Peace comes from within, deep within your soul. Do not seek it without. Buddha. This quote encapsulates the essence of inner peace and tranquility. It's not something you find in external circumstances or possessions. It's a state of being that you cultivate from within through self-awareness, acceptance, and compassion. Imagine a heart filled with peace, radiating calmness and love outward to the world. This is the power of inner peace. It not only benefits you, but also touches the lives of everyone around you. As you cultivate inner peace, you become a beacon of light in the world, inspiring others to find their own path to tranquility. Your journey to inner peace is a gift to yourself and a contribution to a more peaceful world for everyone.